Hello everyone. Here in the lecture 3 of research methodologies, we are going to discuss that what can be the triggering factor behind research work. Basically, what can be the motivation behind any research work. So let's start. Basically, many times you may think, or it may comes in your mind, or many of people may ask you why people do research, why people are interested in research work, right? So there are so many reasons that may be possible behind it, right? The first one, it may be enthusiastic. People are very much enthusiastic about their research degrees and the consequential benefits of the research, right? So it may be one of the reason. I hope you got the point that very enthusiastic about a research degree, that yeah, I have pursued a research degree and some consequential benefits like you can get, right, in the terms of your postings, in the terms of your promotion, in the terms of your knowledge, in the terms of your reputation, right? And the second reason, it might be ambition. Ambitious about solving unsolved problems. Many people nowadays are ambitious about they want to solve some problems, right? But whatever problems right now, if it is unsolved and anybody are very much ambitious that I want to solve this problem, definitely such kind of people may pursue some research work, some good research work. Then joy of implementing creativity up to its best by devotion. So basically, many people enjoy their creativity and they devote themselves into implementation of their creativity, and finally they got result into some research work, some quality research work. So this may be one of the triggering factors. And one of the triggering factor, that might be aspiring to serve the society with passion. Some people by default they have passion that they want to serve the society, they want to solve the problems of society, they want to serve the society, they want to solve the problems of society, right? And they come up with some creative solutions, they come with some solutions. So such kind of people also got success in research. And one of the factor is the respectability factor, obviously. And most of the people only do the research work only just because of the respectability factor, that okay, we will get that doctor of philosophy degree in front of us, or some kind of reputation factor, right? And the one another reason, it might be like inquisitiveness or curiosity factor. They want to know much and much and much information about something. They want to know, they want to explore some topic up to its depth. They are very very inquisitive about some domain, about some topic of any branch, right? It might be cricket, it might be any social work, it might be life science, it might be biology, it might be computer science, artificial intelligence, blockchain, anything it could be. So inquisitiveness, curiosity, they want to know much and much and much. That is right. So these are some of the triggering factors that can lead to the motivation behind any good quality research work. And there might be many more factors also possible. If you know something more factors, you can show us in the comment section. You can tell us that this might be the motivation factor behind any good research work, and we definitely are going to recognize them. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.